Hello everyone, welcome to SuperManage. Today, we'll walk you through the SuperManage Mobile App. To log in on the business side of the SuperManage Mobile application, click on Business and enter your login details. After logging in, you will be able to see the dashboard of the SuperManage Mobile application. Let's explore the app features one by one. Let's start with Employee Management. To add an employee, click on the plus icon at the bottom and select Add Employee. Then, enter the details of the employee such as name, mobile number, joining date, etc. You also have the option to decide whether to provide employee app access and whether to make them a supervisor. After that, enter their payroll details like monthly salary, leaves per month, and shift timings. Once everything is completed, click on the Submit button to add the employee. Next, let's explore the Attendance tab. As you can see, both employees are listed here. Now we have options to mark them as present, absent, holiday or half day. And also select their punch in and punch out timings. After that, click on the small icon next to the employee's name to add any remarks, overtime or fines. Enter the date and write your remark. It will be added to the remark section. Then, let's go to overtime and click on Add Overtime. Select the employee for whom you want to add overtime. Then select the date. Enter the overtime hours. Select the hourly wages and add your remarks. Next, go to the remark section and click on Add New Remark. Select the employee from the list, choose the date, add your remark, and then click Submit to save it. Now go to Payroll and select an employee to view their payroll details. As you can see, all payroll details related to this employee are visible here. Please note, you can only mark payroll as paid once at least one salary cycle has been completed. Now, let's add a holiday for your business. Click on Add New Holiday. Select the date and enter the holiday name. Click on Submit to add the holiday. Then, click on Inactive Employees, where you can manage all your inactive employee records. Now let's go to Vehicle Management. Click on the plus icon at the bottom and select Add Vehicle Log to add a new vehicle log. Select your vehicle, then select the driver. Enter the odometer details, including start and end readings. Then enter the trip location. Write the purpose and select the start date and end date of the journey. Click on Add and your vehicle log is added successfully. To add an expense, again click on the plus icon and select Add Expense. From here, you can choose the type of expense you wish to add: fuel, services, or others. Let's go with fuel for now. Select the vehicle and expense date. Then enter the expense amount. Select the fuel unit and enter the quantity. You can also include the odometer readings and then select the payment type. Once everything is done, click on Add and your expense is added successfully. Now let's add a vehicle. Click on Add a Vehicle. Start by entering the vehicle name. Select the fuel type and enter the registration number and location. Click Add to save the vehicle. Now let's see how to add a driver. Click on Add a Driver and enter the driver's details: name, mobile number, and email ID. Click on Add to add the driver. To download a report, click on the Report tab at the top. Select the type of report you want to download and then choose the date range for which you need it. Then click on Export Report to download it on your mobile phone. Now let's see how to add a fine. Click on Add Fine Select the employee, pick the date, and enter the fine amount along with a description. Click on Submit to add the fine. Next, let's add important documents for your employee in the SuperManage app. To do this, click on Employee Documents and then click on Add Document. Select the employee, enter the document title, and then choose the document type. Click on Upload Files and choose an option to upload your document. Once the document is selected, agree to the terms and conditions and then click on Submit to add the document into your SuperManage application. Next, let's explore the approval section. First, we have attendance approval. All requests related to attendance will appear here. Next is overtime approval, which shows all the pending overtime requests. Then we have leave approval, where all leave requests can be managed and approved. Now let's click on Cash Book, where we can manage our cash inflow and outflow. Let's do a cash out entry. Click on the plus icon and select Add Cash Out. Enter the amount and other basic details. Click on Add Contact to create a contact. Enter the contact name and mobile number. You can upload a document for this cash out entry. Then continue by entering the remarks for this transaction. Click on Submit to add this entry. Now let's go to the report section to generate a report. Select the type of report and then select the date range for which you want to download this report. Click on Export Report to download the report to your mobile phone. And just like that, your report is downloaded. Click on the Settings tab to view the basic details about your account. Click on Order History to see your plan details. Click on User Management to manage your user base. To add a new user, click on Add User. Enter the details of the user, such as name and mobile number, and then assign a role to them. Click on Add User to add this user. Next, click on Supervisor Management to manage your supervisors. Click on Employee App Options to enable or disable specific features within the Employee app. Next, click on Business Management to add a new business. Enter the necessary business details. Then click Submit to add the business. Click on Department to add a new department to your business. Enter the department name and click on Apply to add it. You can also turn on the attendance reminder and set a time to remind your employees to mark their attendance on time. Enable the Not Set as Absent setting. If turned on, employees who haven't marked attendance will be treated as absent. Otherwise, the default is considered present. You can also enable Reconfirm attendance changes to ensure any changes in attendance are verified. Next, click on Payroll Settings to update your payroll dates. You can turn on the Payroll Rule setting, which allows you to calculate payroll on a fixed 30-day basis. Disable it if you prefer payroll calculation based on the actual number of days in the month. To change the language, click on Language and select your preferred option. After that, you can turn on biometrics for additional security. And that's how easy it is to manage your business using the SuperManage Mobile App. SuperManage, आपके business का digital साथी.